Hi friends, today discussing about the railway track and maintenance. Rails defect, corrosion, rust or the corrosion on this rail surface or inside the rail wants to out rail surface dust to well. Cracks or fracture in this rail, duct or identification on this rail surface. Roaston maintenance, track identification, regular identification, identify the defect and wars, rails, gradings, grades of the rail, maintenance profiles on this rail. Specialized service, geometrical measurement, measuring to the track geometrical to ensure security, rails stress, managing the rails stress prevent factor. Welding and thermal treatment, specialized welding and thermal treatment service. The track recording to analogics recording. Emergency welding, performing emergency welding to restore track consistency, track safety in expectation conditions, safety in expectation to ensure the track integrity. Track safety in expectation of the frequencies check ensure that the track maintains safe for operation especially after any significant inside or weather event. Let's about the track dimension. The track gauge standard gauge is 1435 mm. Each variation for the narrows or broad gauge rail length. Model rails are the typically 25 to 30 meter long with continuous weldings rails. CWR being such transfer rails the joints provide. Track structure, slipper passing. Slipper are the typically paced 600 mm to 150 mm effect. The ballast depth or range of 150 mm to 300 mm depending on the track and soil condition. Tracks bed and rail factors. The track's bed depth. The width of the track's bed include the ballast is the typically 3 to 4 meter for the standard track. The track bed thickness, the thickness of the track bed include the ballast should be less 300 mm to 450 mm. Thank you for watching video lecturer. Like and subscribe.